Today we're going to look at cleaning and maintaining the Coinco model BP4SX bill validator. And the first thing you need to do is remove this upper stack, and you do that by pressing this tab and then pulling it up, and just remove that and set it aside. The next thing you're going to do is remove this coin called the bottom half, and you do that by pushing in on this tab right here, pushing on that tab, and then you pull it out. So you push on this tab down here and then just slide this out. The next thing you'll want to do is you'll want to purchase some duster. It's just a compressed gas so that you can help clear out some of the dust that's found inside the bill validator. You're then going to spray inside and hopefully remove any dust, and you can see some dust flying around. Just go in between and get rid of any dust that may be found in the bill validator. While you're at it, you may want to, in this vending machine, blow out the air conditioning unit. And then the next thing you're going to want to do is clean off the reed head, which is just up underneath here. You can see that little lens. And what you do is you'll use some isopropyl rubbing alcohol. It's just the rubbing alcohol, and you use a Q-tip and then just make sure you can see where that glass is. I'll point it out with the Q-tip. You can see right in through here. There's that reader right here, and that's what you're going to want to clean. You're just wiping off that lens right there. I don't know if you can see it. Right up in through there. Just wipe that lens off. And then you can, it's a good idea to wipe off this area right in through here, and also this area right here with a clean cloth. So with a little bit of soap and water and a clean cloth, you'll just go ahead and wipe this off. And also the other side. Just go ahead and with your rag, go ahead and clean that off. You'll then go ahead and reinsert the bill validator. You then just go ahead and move the coin called the lower section. Just go ahead and slide that back in till it clicks, and then you'll just go ahead and insert the upper level, and that's pretty simple to do too. You just go behind this wire, and you can see the slots that it goes into. Just put that in and slide it down, and there you have it. That's how you go ahead and clean the bill validator. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and make sure you subscribe to Big Al Repairs.